Oh.
I just spit on myself. Ooh. Okay.
Hi. Today, for PS fans, it's National Skirt Day, even if you're a guy, wear a skirt.
Yay!
Yeah.
Hey, look, midget bike!
This is midget bike. We all love midget bikes.
Zoom in on midget bike.
So, I am wearing a pink skirt, and Vicky and I are both wearing black today.
Yeah, I have a skirt on.
Yeah.
You can see through it. Oh. Oh.
Is Vicky in her National PS Skirt Day outfit?
Ready? Rolling the pedals. Ta-da, ta-da.
Falling is fun. Falling is very fun.
Yes.
Look at all the pedals. I'm gonna frolic in
As
the
long as you
pedals.
don't backflip off your bike, I can't like that.
Okay, now my turn.
I'm not gonna fall though. I think I have an intro on my butt. Is there one on my butt?
Let me see.
Zoom in on the pedals.
No, let me see.
Let's look at Vicky's butt. Is there
No, on the back of her skirt. We're gonna see if inchworm.
inchworms.
Spin.
Luckily, I have shorts on these.
Now I'm gonna spin.
Look at my Curtis peace signs. I don't feel comfortable. You do that.
Peace signs.
Back. Yes.
Yeah, so guys, wear a skirt.
I finally put my hair in a high ponytail, but it kind of fell out.
Yeah, I have my hair kind of weird today. Ew, that is nasty.
Oh. See all the way. I want to see if I can pick a flower. Ew.
Inchworm?
Yes. See? It's very prettiful.
Yes.
These are in our schoolyard too. Oh no, it's dead!
Okay, Vicky, I was making that. So, girls, wear skirts. Guys, wear skirts.
No, guys wear dresses.
Yeah, guys, just wear like a dress. Yeah, a National Skirt Day. So, just wear a
Look at
skirt.
the car!
Hey, car. Look, just wear a skirt because it's National PS Fan Skirt Day.
Say goodbye to the mini bike.
Goodbye, mini bike. I'm gonna kick you over now.